Hello! Welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video and content, this is another part ng ating Android phone na ni-review previously, which is a Nubia Neo 3. This time, check naman natin yung camera ng Android phone na to and let's see kung gaano nga ba kaganda at marerecommend ko ba siya sa inyo when it comes to camera. So let's go mga si Smarts. Check. So we have here the camera. Sa AI camera, you have an option to zoom in the pictures or the photo up until 10 times zoom in. We also have video recording dito, 1080p with 30 FPS. Ayan, as you can see right there. Meron pala siyang video anti-shake on. Maybe I forgot to turn that one on no nasa Starbucks ako. Hindi ko kasi siya napansin. But meron siyang anti-shake off, yung parang maging stabilize yung cellphone or yung video mo. Sa video recording, you have you can zoom in the video up until 10 pero medyo malabo na siya pag zoom in mo. We also have night feature in here, portrait, AI cam, sport camera, Pro camera, camera family. Meron din siyang option dito for vlog. Ayan, meron na akong nagawa na separate video dyan sa vlog na yan, yung feature nila na vlog na yan. We also have dual capture in here. Meron ka pang option to switch yung position ng camera. Ayan, we also have here documents, monocolor, multi-exposure, panorama, full size, and also time-lapse. So, pagdating naman sa front-facing camera, we also have the same feature. Hold on. We also have the same feature din naman. Pagdating sa video recording, 1080p with 30 FPS. But this one, pagdating sa front-facing camera, wala ka ng option to turn on yung anti-shake off, yung anti-shake on or shake off ba yon. So, you don't have an option. But you have an option to turn on filters in here. May mga filters din sila. Meron din ditong camera. Same lang din actually ng And also pala, by the way, meron ka palang option dito sa kanyang camera feature to maximize the filter or smoothen your skin. So, yun yung kanyang feature using the camera. So, front-facing camera, same lang din yan. Ayan may beautification siya. So, we also have here, filter, ayan, may flash. Ayan yung mga option or feature ng ating Nubia Neo 3. I'll go ahead and insert some video clips and also video sample with this phone, especially din yung mga pictures dito sa atin. So this is Nubia Neo 3 dual capture. So, let's try to explore this camera. Alright. Nubia Neo 3 currently using the dual capture feature. So, meron ka ding option to switch the camera. Ganyan. Ayan, may option ka actually. Ayan. As you can see. Alright.
Pwede makita yung lahat ng color ng 1 para makita yung mga dito. Meron po sila dito.
Video sample of Nubia Neo 3 currently using the front-facing camera. So, nandito ako ngayon sa Starbucks. Medyo maingay. I'm not sure if naririnig nyo ako, but this is the video sample. So, let me just rotate the camera using the main camera. So, this is the main camera of Nubia Neo 3 with 1080p resolution and 30 FPS as you can see. Well, actually not bad. medyo hindi lang ganun ka-stabilize yung ating video. I'm actually using the same resolution, 1080p with 30 FPS, and I'm not sure if gano'n ba siya kaganda if nasa outdoor tayo. But right now, since madami namang ilaw dito sa Starbucks, wala naman akong problem. Medyo madilim lang when it comes sa main camera niya. But selfie camera is actually good with the video recording. Tinry ko palang pakinggan yung video na nakuha ko dito sa Nubia Neo 3, and so far, naririnig naman pala ako. Medyo malakas din yung audio dito sa Nubia Neo 3. Okay, so that is camera feature ng ating Nubia Neo 3. So let me go ahead and proceed sharing you guys my thoughts with this camera. So far naman 50 megapixel kasi yung main camera ng ating Nubia Neo 3. Sabi nila kasi na meron daw telephoto to, pero when it comes kasi sa telephoto niya, sobrang labo na. So I'm not sure if meron talaga siyang telephoto. And based on my experience naman sa video recording, mag-ayos naman yung video recording niya, especially pag naka-turn on anti-shake offs or anti-shake on feature nila. Pagdating naman sa mga pictures na nakuha ko, magaganda naman yung pictures na nakuha ko using this Nubia Neo 3. So far naman okay sila lahat. And so front-facing camera, same lang din naman experience. Though medyo blurry siya. I'm not sure, nakalimutan ko siguro po nasan yung lente, pero that is actually, nung tinry ko naman siya, okay naman siya. And wala naman ako nakitang, alam mo na, blur na. Siguro nga, na-touch ko lang yung lente niya sa front-facing camera. Again, this Nubia 3 camera is actually good. Walang okay naman siya pang simula pang vlog. If bayan na siya si want to start vlogging. And also, for reels, a day in my life. Actually, marirecommend ko din siya sa mga gamers out there. Ayan, pwede nyo siyang gamitin pang gaming. Okay siya pang gaming, at the same time maganda yung quality ng camera ng Nubia Neo 3. So if tatanungin niyo ako, Maring Ana, marirecommend mo ba si Nubia Neo 3 within this year 2025? Yes, I can still recommend this phone. 8,000 with 6,000 milliamp hour battery capacity with good chipset and also good camera quality. That is actually superb already. I-add mo pa doon yung display ng ating Nubia Neo 3. As you can see right here, ang ganda nung design nila. Parang ang lakas, parang pag naglaro ka dito, ang lakas-lakas mo. Parang matatalo mo silang lahat. Parang pag naglaro ka dito gamit ito pang ML, parang isang laro mo lang, mythic ka na kagad. Parang ganun yung magiging, alam mo dito, datingan mo. So, kidding aside, I can still recommend this Android phone, Nubia Neo 3 to purchase. Again, nasa link po sa description box yung ating shop kung saan yung siya legitimate na mabibili. Okay? So, 8,000 is actually fine. And this is good din po for gaming. So, that is just my quick camera reviews ating Nubia Neo 3. My name is Maring Ana. Again, I'm not a pro when it comes to reviewing ng mga tech. I'm just sharing you guys my own thoughts and feedback with this unit, okay? Don't forget to follow me also my TikTok account, a.stories. See you ulit sa ating next camera review. Bye, guys.